So somehow I ended up with the Chiron key. You're driving the Veyron.
Yes, sir.
Chrome and pink suits you, bro. Chrome and pink suits you, bro.
I'm just super pumped to actually swap it. You like the pink and chrome, let's be honest. I have an idea. Imagine the Chiron pink and chrome.
Imagine that, a pink and chrome Bugatti Chiron. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Steve Hamilton, you don't know this yet, but your Bugatti Chiron that is currently sitting in Las Vegas, Nevada is pink and chrome. You're welcome. Now I'm gonna try to give you guys the backstory and what's going on. It's kind of sort of confusing, so I apologize if this makes no sense whatsoever. 4 weeks ago, we took delivery of the Hamilton Collection Bugatti Chiron. It's metallic black with a blue accent. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous car. It's classy, it's sophisticated, and the Hamiltons trusted the care of that car in my possession to love and to cherish and to treat as my own, which is what we did. We enjoyed the car for a couple weeks. The Hamiltons came to visit me, and then the car got on a truck, headed back to Chicago. No, it did not. It actually headed down to Las Vegas, Nevada, to Houston Crossa, because the Hamiltons in Houston, they're experimenting. I don't know exactly what's going on. I don't want to say too much without quite saying enough. The Chiron was down in Las Vegas, and that's when I proposed an idea to Tommy with the Hamilton collection. So I really do blame Tommy for all of this. It's really his fault. That's when I proposed the idea. The car was down in Las Vegas. I called Houston. Houston said yes, and now the car is pink and chrome. Steve Hamilton has absolutely no idea the car is pink and chrome. We're gonna head down to Las Vegas. We're gonna go see the Chiron. Once we see it, then we're flying off to Chicago. So we are in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're headed to Las Vegas, and then we're headed to Chicago, where Steve Hamilton is going to find out his $4 million Bugatti Chiron is now chrome and pink. Steve, I love you. I support you. I got you, boy. I got you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, somewhere around here is an absolute legend named Houston Crossa, Royalty Exotic Cars, and a pink chrome Bugatti Chiron. I cannot wait to see this car. So I gotta give a massive shout out to this absolute legend. I don't know how we got this done. I cannot wait to see this car.
Show you how we got it done.
Oh my goodness. So welcome to the back vault here at Royalty Exotic Cars. SLR McLaren right there. STO, we got a Murcielago 430 Scuderia.
I heard you were looking for one of those.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Are you actually selling that?
I bought it to sell it, yeah.
I'll take it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Or is that an actual handshake agreement? We have the Rambo Lambo, the LM002. This thing is sick. Are you actually selling this? Are you restoring it?
I literally bought it because it's really complicated. I'll tell you off camera why I bought it, but I bought it based on a relationship, and it was more of a favor. So I don't really want this thing, so it's definitely for sale.
And you're gonna sell it based on a relationship, and you're gonna sell it on a favor. Are you actually selling this?
I am legitimately
Call me first.
selling it.
Call me first.
Well, you're already here.
Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. We might be buying an LM002.
That wasn't the
Should
plans
we?
today.
100%. That's so sick. There's only 328 of those in the entire world. I gotta get that.
Does it change anything if the engine's sitting right here?
Oh, that changes things a lot. This is a Countach V12 right here that needs to go in that. So maybe I'll buy it after this is in.
It makes it a lot more affordable. Hold on.
True, a lot more affordable.
This is a man who white-bodied his Aventador. He could put an engine in and LM002.
And that's not true, Tim, but I love the confidence. I love the confidence. Thank you. Thank you so much for helping make this happen. Oh my goodness. Are you actually kidding me? That looks so sick.
It looks so
what?
much better than your car.
It looks okay, wow, you don't have to do me dirty. That looks so cool. That looks so sick.
The chrome looks good because of these lines. Like,
yeah.
so aggressive. Everything right here looks nice.
It's so crazy to think this car left my house in Utah with my Veyron pink and chrome. This car was black, and now here it is. I know pink and chrome isn't your thing, but you might have to keep this for quite a while. That looks so insane. And when it hits the sun, look at that in the sunlight. What? Oh my goodness. This is so much fun. I love stealing cars and I love modifying. You're next, Tim.
I don't know how you're not wearing
You're leaving the
sunglasses.
Black Series here.
Oh gosh.
Watch yourself, boy.
Oh gosh.
Watch yourself. So the Chiron is here in Vegas right now, but tomorrow morning it's getting on a truck headed to Chicago. We're flying to Chicago to get Steve's reaction under this Nevada sun. It turned out so good. So that's the KPMF Momentum Pink with the chrome. It is an exact spec, an exact match to my Veyron. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago, Illinois. This is a tight squeeze getting out of the private jet. But ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived to Chicago, Illinois, and look who has come to greet us right on the tarmac. Now you're probably wondering, Tommy, what did we bring to Chicago? Take a look, take a little peek inside, just see what's inside. I brought my model car collection with me.
Oh my gosh, no way!
As you do, right?
That's
Don't
amazing.
you take your car collection everywhere you go to?
Everywhere, yeah.
Everywhere. We all do that, right?
Yeah,
like that's a normal thing to do.
Normal, right?
Do you know why I have these?
I have no idea.
Okay. Don't worry about it. I feel kind of bad because you thought I got you a gift.
I know, I was excited. I thought it was like food or something.
I'm sorry, I will
I
get
think
you
I'm
a
just
gift.
hungry.
Are you hungry?
Texas Roadhouse.
Yes,
We
yes.
gotta go, there's one
yes.
right by.
When Tommy was in Utah, all he wanted to do was go to Texas Roadhouse. The line was so busy, it didn't happen. I'm taking you to Texas Roadhouse, and I'm buying.
Sounds good.
I also got to give a massive shout out to Mr. Damon, still batting 1,000 on successful flights, and hopefully always batting 1,000 on successful flights.
Right.
I don't actually know where we're going. We're getting the Escalade, and I think we're going to Iron Gate. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to the Hamilton Collection World Headquarters. This place is so sick. So I've been told by Tommy, this LT is quite the flamethrower. Aiden, let's see some flames. Okay, my audience loves flames. Do it for them. I thought you lied there for a second. That was insane. What? I can feel the hair on my arm standing tall. That was crazy. Okay, so Tommy is kicking Aiden out of the LT because I guess he's the professional.
I guess we'll
Really, bro?
I guess.
Nah, you were doing fine. Tommy doesn't know what he's talking about. See, he's out. Maybe I should. Sophia, maybe you should. Maybe Sophia should. Tommy, what happened, bro? We got the shot. Where's the fire extinguisher?
They've been so big.
Where's the fire extinguisher?
There is one.
Oh, there it is. In the front. How are we going to get that in time? Get out of there. We're good. No, we're good. We got a pink Bugatti Chiron. So Tommy knows. Oh, yeah. Nobody else knows. Just Tommy and I. It's going to be great. It's going to be so sick. So it just got word the truck with the Chiron is going to be here in about 30 minutes from Las Vegas here to Chicago. Steve Hamilton is going to be here in about 45 minutes. So Natalia doesn't know. Aiden doesn't know. Only Tommy and I know. I can't wait to see everyone's reaction. Of all the cars in my collection, what's your favorite one?
The Aventador.
And what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Yeah, pink. I realize, right? You're missing a color in the car collection.
We are.
Yes, you
There's
are.
no pink.
Yeah, you know, you need some more pink. What can I say?
So Steve wanted to wrap the car pink and chrome for you, but we're just.
Isn't that yours? Why didn't you make that happen?
We're just getting it back.
Oh.
I know.
Okay, well, maybe
That would've been
when you
cool.
guys come to visit me again.
Yeah.
We should wrap
There
it.
you go. There you go. Okay, that's not a bad idea. Let's do that. Okay,
We'll do
perfect.
it.
That would be funny. That would be way funny.
Shut up. Oh my God. What?
That's right.
You did it.
Oh my God.
Isn't that insane? Just wait until you see it out of the
You know what?
trailer.
The whole time.
It's Tommy's fault. This is actually Tommy's fault.
I didn't tell you.
No.
Dude, we killed it.
Yes, we did.
Steve has no idea.
Yeah. So zip the lips, okay?
I'm not talking about that.
I know.
That's why I pulled the camera out. You're like, we were gonna wrap it.
Oh, I love it.
I know. It turned out so crazy. Tommy set me up to this. It's actually Tommy's fault that this happened.
You
did it.
I'm so proud of you, Tommy.
I know. I'm proud of you.
We have to thank Houston Crosta though. Houston actually got it
Thank you,
done.
Houston. You're the
So yeah, Houston, you killed it. Part of me thought this was never gonna happen, but ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, the pink and chrome Bugatti Chiron has landed here in Chicago, Illinois. It looks better in person. It looks so crazy. Do not, under any circumstances whatsoever, let Steve unwrap this, okay? At least not for a while. Not for a little bit, okay? So the Veyron is off its service right now in San Diego. It would be here as well. It looks so crazy.
It's toy.
It does. Oh, wait, is Steve gonna hate me or is Steve gonna love me?
gonna love it.
He's gonna love it. Okay, phew, geez. I wasn't sure because it's a $4 million Bugatti. Usually you don't steal somebody's Bugatti and wrap it, but in this scenario, well, yeah, we did. It looks even better than I imagined. Natalia, this is your car. You look so good in this.
I feel like I'm in the Aventador again, truly.
It looks so crazy. And especially the lights here in the Hamilton Collection garage. Look at that. It looks so sick. I love this wrap scheme so much. I wish the Veyron was here. And someday, one day in the very near future, the Veyron will be here. Yo, it looks so crazy.
Oscar was in the passenger seat. Oscar?
Yeah, Oscar should be here.
He should.
Maybe Oscar is here.
No,
I know. Can you imagine? Oscar shows up. It looks so good. You see, this is why Tommy gets paid the big bucks. Look at that clear focus. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, this is what the car collection needed, though. You guys needed some pink to enhance it. So we're covering the car right now. Steve is going to be here in about 25 minutes, just in the nick of time. He's going to have no idea. Where have you been, bro? I need more of you in my life.
Busy
day?
Yes,
Yo, what's up, dude? Good to see you. How you been?
Good.
Yeah, no.
What is this? Did you guys get me a new car now? That looks familiar. Where's the Gallardo?
Wow, Steve Hamilton, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, Mr. Hamilton. Wow, way to really ruin the mood. The Gallardo is coming soon.
All right.
Very soon. I don't know how exactly to say this. The transportation, there's kind of a mix-up.
I think
What exactly happened?
So there was a photo of that same scratch before loading. So
Oh, really?
A little tiny baby scratch on the passenger side wheel.
Not a big deal though, but we should go look at it. Let's go look at it though. Should we go look at it? Yeah. Let's go look at it. You know, it's not like a big deal. I'm not taking the blame though, am I?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Alright. Oh no! Oh no! What did you guys do? It looks incredible, to be honest with you.
You like it?
How did you sneak that? Wow.
James is the man.
I told you pink and chrome would suit you. You didn't believe me.
Wow.
So I did it for you.
Dude, it looks awesome.
It looks so
I was like hyping it up. I'm like, we were gonna do this. Like, we were gonna surprise you, wrapping it pink and
I thought we were gonna surprise him.
I know.
I beat you guys to the punch.
And then James calls me, he's like, would Steve be okay if I wrapped this shirt? I'm like, dude,
That's
they were talking about it
amazing.
yesterday. He beat you to it.
That's so awesome.
We have to also give a shout out to Houston.
Yeah.
Houston helped make this happen. So honestly, it's Houston's fault. Houston, it's your fault. It's not my fault.
He's a good dude. Dude,
It looks so good, doesn't it?
I would have done a really cheap wrap, but this looks like a good I'm just saying, when we were gonna do it, it was gonna be down and dirty, cheap, like temporary.
Like, we're gonna make Aiden do it.
This looks good, man.
At the end of the day, it's like a $4 million car though, so I had to make sure that it was done properly. Houston's guys did it. Nobody's seen it either, so.
Dude, we're gonna rack this for a while.
Doesn't it look amazing? That's what I love to hear. So my Veyron is off its service right now.
Yes.
As soon as it's out, I'm shipping it to Chicago. We gotta run the two cars together.
Done. Hopefully we'll have the P1. We could have some fun with the 918 new exhaust, and the P1 will have new exhaust.
P1 chrome and pink. 918 chrome and pink. Let's just wrap the whole collection. Now we're talking. And then of course, somehow, some way, ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the Ford GT. I should have never sold my car. I don't know why I did. I shouldn't have. Oh, she just fits right. This is definitely such a nostalgic feeling. So the OGs remember, I bought a Ford GT in Hawaii. I should have never sold that car. Why do I sell these cars? It makes no sense. Sophia, why do I sell these cars?
I don't know.
And of course, as you guys know, the Ford GT is the ultimate guillotine. So when you close the door, watch your head, watch your head. We're good. Steve, congratulations. And you're welcome. I told you you'd look good in pink and chrome.
Yes.
Honestly, I cannot take my eyes off that Bugatti Chiron. It turned out so good. How does it look so amazing? So Damon is in the LaFerrari. I don't know exactly where we're going or what we're doing, but it don't matter because I'm in a full GT. That Chiron though, when you look at it, you can't stop staring at it. You know, sometimes on the channel, I think I say a little bit too much without saying anything at all whatsoever. And on that bombshell, you guys saw that? Nope. Today's video is over. Tommy is begging me to take out the clip where I tried to shake his hand and he gave me a fist bump. Absolutely not. That's a firm handshake too.
It was so bad.
It's so bad.
It's every video. It's every video.
Every single video. It's your own fault. What are we gonna do about it?
Supposed to do on the fist bump, like go for the fist bump. You go like that. Someone told me that. It makes it so awkward.
What is happening?
All right, so we're definitely cutting that clip out. Oh, they're doing it again.